Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. The fuse for the power windows, also known as master window switch fuse, guys, will be demonstrated on 2016 F-150, but even if you have a different year, it will work as well. We have two different fuse boxes. One is located under the hood behind the car battery, and if you open it, it will look like this one. I want to show you guys here. You have really special fuses and relays that could be impossible to find, hard to find, or really expensive. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get some from at a good price and quick shipping as well. Now, right here, that's the interior of your F-150. If you come in the passenger side, in the food compartment right here, in the food well, and you remove that kick panel plastic there, you're going to open a fuse box that will look just like this one. Okay, now, before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays now. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So right here now, guys, okay, which fuse you need to check. You can see how it starts here, 4, 5, 7, 9, 11. It just jumps, guys, by 2. Those are double fuses here, those are single fuses. The fuse that you need to check, guys, for the master window switch, okay, will be all the way on the top, will be a single fuse, and we're talking about fuse number 23 right here. That's for the power windows, okay? Check that fuse specifically, guys. That's for the master window switch that controls all the windows. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.